Hi everybody, this is going to be jump rope number 3. So what we're going to try to do, we're going to try to learn a couple new jumps. It's called a bell jump. We'll do a backwards jump, and then I'm going to try to do a toe touch jump and a heel touch or kick out. Those two are going to be more difficult for me, so what I might try to do is try to find a YouTube video and put those on for you to show you. So we're going to do that, and I'd like you just to think about these questions today. What makes physical activity meaningful to you? Why do you do physical activity? Pleasure, to get in shape, to train for something. So each one of us have to do something different. Personally, right now, I'm doing physical activity to get my legs stronger, because my knees bother me, and I want to be able to get my body feeling better. So right now I'm focusing more on that. I do other things, but my focus is to get my legs stronger and my back, because they've been bothering me for a little while. So I need to get the strength better for them, and so that's what's meaningful to me at the moment. Also, from our lesson today, what did you learn today? Did you learn a new jump rope technique? Did you understand how to do the 2-foot jump a little bit better? Be descriptive. Don't just say, oh, I learned to jump with 2 feet. What helped you learn jump with 2 feet? Were your hands out to the side? Did you realize you have to bring them closer, further away? Were they in front, behind you? Think about what helped you do it better. And also, how does jump rope enhance my fitness? Enhance means improve your fitness. Where in the body? What is it helping in your body? What else happens in your body when you're doing jump roping? How does it make you improve your fitness? Okay, so those are some of the questions I'd like you to think about. What I'm going to do, I'm going to try to do this quicker because the videos have been longer. This is the time you jog in place. I would say jog for 3 to 5 minutes, right? We jog in place like this. Change your speeds. After you're done jogging in place, do your stretches. Breathe. Do the stretches that we do. Okay, we've been doing them all year. You kind of have an idea of the stretches. I'm just moving this pretty quick. Now we're going to do 2 yoga poses. I'll do them on the video right now, and then we'll do some exercises. So the first yoga pose is a cat pose. And really, I'm on my hands and knees, my body will be like a table. When I breathe in, I'm going to bring my belly down to the ground. Breathe in. And when I breathe out, I arch my back up like a cat. And I bring my belly, I suck my belly in. Breathe in. My head comes up. Breathe out. Suck your belly in. Arch your back like a cat. Breathe in. And breathe out. Okay, that also will help your breathing. The next yoga pose is called a Camel Pose. I have a very difficult time with this. I'm going to put on the yoga choice board this week to help you. Basically, again, what we could start, I'm going to start on my knees. And what you're going to do is you're kind of doing a back bridge, and your hands can touch your feet. If you can go further, your hands can go to the ground. I can't do that because of my knees. But it's a stretch where, if I can bring my hands here and I arch my back and I go, it's backwards. So it's like a back bridge on your knees. Okay, so those are our 2 yoga poses this week. I'm sorry I couldn't do the camel pose. It's just my body, my knee can't do it. All right, now this week we're going to do jumping jacks again. Let's go over a couple 4 jumping jacks, and that's our exercises this week. Okay, so we know when we do a jumping jack, we go out and up, down and in. Now we're going to do crossover jacks, right? So we go out and up, and then we cross down and in. My left hand and left foot go over, out and up, crossover, out and up, down and in, out and up, down and in. Those are crossover jacks. I say do 10 of those. See how you do. The next one, let's do jack burpees. We'll get a little more exciting, right? So we're going to go down on the ground, kick your feet out, kick your feet in, jump up, do a jumping jack, right? We go down, out, in, up, do a jumping jack, okay? Do do 10 of those. That's a regular jumping jack. The next one we're gonna do, and these are all on the exercise jumping jack choice board. The next one we do press jacks. So when I go out and up, I bring my hands in front, down and in. Hands are together, out and up, down and in. So my hands are staying. We're not going to the side, out and up, down and in. Those are press jacks. 10 of those. And the last one, we're going to do plank jacks. Okay? We're going to be in a push-up position, and then we move our legs back and forth like jumping jacks. So let's see. If I do it, let me try it this way. All right. So if we do a push-up, I'm going to keep my body up in the air like this, and then you can see my feet. They're going to go out, in. All right. So I try to keep my body still. I keep my hands. I'm going to go out, in. Okay. If you want to try, you call on your elbows. And keep your body straight. Out, in, out, in. Let's try to do it sideways. Maybe see it sideways. So if my body is up like a push-up, out, in, out, in, out, in. If I'm on my elbows, body straight, out, in, out, in. Okay. Those are a little harder, but we're working our muscles, working our upper body and our lower body. Those are plank jacks. Okay, I'm moving kind of quick because I hate these long videos for you. Next, let's do some jump roping. I'm going to try to show you some four new jump ropes. And as a reminder, when I jump rope, right, good grips. I showed you the grips in the past. I try to keep my hands to the side. It's important. So the first one, let's try bell jumps. And bell jumps, I'm just going to jump forward and backward. Forward, backward. Last week we did skier jumps. It was like side to side, side to side. This time we're going to go forward, backward, forward, backward. All right, so my hands are out here. I do my 2-foot jumps. Oops. I gotta get used to these, right? Forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward, sideways. Forward, backward. Trying to stay in the thing. Forward, backward, forward, backward. Okay? I'm running out of space. So that's the bell hop, the bell jumps. Next one, let's do backward jumps. A lot of you already do them, but my point for the backward jumps, let me back up. Bell jumps, again, my hands are to my sides. The reason I'm saying this is when I do backward jumps, I bring my hands forward more. I keep them low, keep my body straight, and I come forward now. Okay? So, backward jumps, and a lot of you do it. Again, I keep my hands to the side, and I bring it over my head. All right? I'm keeping my hands in front. Again, they're to the side, but now they're to the front. So let's see if I can do this. Oops. Okay, so you can see my hands are in front of my body. All right, my hands are in front and low. All right, that's a backward jump. Now, when we do the heel tap or kick out, our hands have to be out in front again. And this time, we're not doing it backwards, we're going to do it forward. All right, so for our heel touch or kick outs, we do our regular jump rope. And I'm going to try to show you both ways. I might have to just put it on YouTube and show you that way. But it's a heel tap. Bring my foot out, kick out, kick out, kick out, kick out. And my hands are going to be in the front. So let's see. Let me try to start that. Oops. Kick out. Kick kick out, kick out, kick out. All right, let's try this way. If I come this way, kick out, kick out, kick out. All right, it's a little bit hard because of my knees, but that is the kick out. Okay, my hands are gonna stay in the front, and I'm gonna try to kick my feet out. It's a little bit harder. You guys are younger, you might get it better than me. My legs are getting old. The other one is gonna be a toe touch. This time, I have to touch my toe behind me. 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 So let's see how that one works. All right, touch. This is gonna be a little tough for me. Touch. Ah. That is a little bit more difficult, okay? I challenge you, I'm gonna try to find it on YouTube for a challenge. I couldn't do it. I apologize, my knees just aren't working, but I wanted to throw a challenge in. Next week, we're gonna do other jumps that I know how to do better. This time I put on one I wasn't able to do very well, 2 of them. I used to be able to do the kick outs a lot better. So, good luck this week. Remember, why is physical activity meaningful to you? What did you learn today? You learned Mr. Boccia didn't know how to do the toe touch, but something else. And how does jump roping improves physical fitness? Right? How does jump roping help you stay healthy? Have a great week. Enjoy the video. Let me know what you think. Okay? Bye-bye.